Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and learning English in a good way. So today is my 6th day to complete my 15-day challenge. We can read English, we can understand English, we can listen English. But when we talk about then when we are starting the English language, so while speaking we get fumble. We are hesitated while speaking. So in this video, I will discuss that if you have a hesitation, so how can we remove the hesitation that we can speak English confidently and fluently. So if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe the channel and watch video till the end that you can understand that which types of technique I will tell you, I will discuss that you will not be hesitate and you can speak English without fear. So let's get into the video. When we can understand language, we can learn English language, we can read English language as well as we can listen English language. But if we talk about then we start the English speaking, so we are fumble. While speaking, we have a hesitation. We cannot speak English without hesitation. So if you have a hesitation, so you must follow some technique that you can remove your hesitation as well as you can remove your fear and you can speak English with confidently. So first technique is that practice more and more. Yes, if you are doing any work, then every work make the practice. If you will not do practice, then you cannot do any work. Same thing is that English language. I want to give an example. If you have a small child at your home, 1 and 2 year, and he is starting to walking on yourself, then he will get fall down again and again, and after fall down and stand up, and after fall down and he and she is stand up, and again he is walking on the way. So same thing is that in English language, if you will not do practice, then you cannot speak English. You cannot remove your hesitation as well as you cannot remove your fear, and you cannot speak English confidently, fluently. So, dear learner, if you are starting the English language, so you must do practice as much as you can do. When you are free, when you get free, then you will have to start the practice. Which types of practice should we do? If you are beginner, so you make this, you know that how to make sentence, how to connect the word. So you will have to start the practice with small topic. I am again saying in this video that you must pick up the small topic and speak. If you have a 5 minute, if you are free within a 5 minute, so take the topic, any topic, and speak about the tree. Speak about any topic within a 5 minute. So if you will use 5 minutes every day in a single day, then you can speak English confidently and without hesitation, and you have not a fumble, you have not a fear about the public speaking. Second thing is that speak yourself. While standing the mirror, you will have to speak on yourself. If you will start the English speaking in front of the mirror, then you can look your gesture and posture, that how is your body gesture, how is your body posture, and how is your tone while speaking. So second technique must be do that you can remove your hesitation. If you will do second technique, then of course you can remove your hesitation anyhow. Why? Because when you are standing in front of the mirror, then you cannot speak. So if you will do practice every single day, if you have a 5 minute, 10 minutes, so while standing in front of the mirror, you will have to self practice, that you can remove your hesitation as well as remove your fear. Third thing is that we know that everyone has a smartphone. Which type, which company mobile you have doesn't matter. And if you have a mobile phone, so while making the video, you can remove your hesitation. Yes, if you have a mobile phone, so take mobile phone and aside mobile phone in front of the wall, in front of the table, in front of the where you can keep mobile. So keep aside and start the video recording. When you will start the video recording, then you can remove your hesitation, because while making the video, you will feel hesitation one day, second day. But while recording the video, you will listen that what are you speaking, which types of mistakes are you doing. So while making the video, you can remove your hesitation, you can remove your fear. So, dear learners, everyone has a mobile phone and use the mobile phone in a right way. Then you can learn English good way. You can speak English confidently as well as fluently. And also you can do good pronunciation, because while making video, after making the video, you will watch that what are you saying, which types of mistakes are you doing, so you will think amend the mistakes. So these three techniques must remove our hesitation, can they must remove your fumble, and you can speak confidently, fluently. So this is my favorite and best technique that I can do every single day. So how is this video? Please tell me in comment box and see you soon again in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.